And there's the
Is there a secret to doing a good portrait? And I used to say,
No, I do congratulate you. Fantastic.
I'd like to throw the next bit on this left-hand side.
give me a sec, give me a sec.
I think it's nice. It's different to what you see normally in like a royal portrait. It's a bit more modern, I would say. So I think it's overall it's decent. It's not bad.
It's very artistic, and I don't. It's kind of ghoulish. I think he might be a more attractive person in a photograph, I guess.